I'm back with another DIY. I am making another table centerpiece decoration, and this is going to be a snow globe slash cloche type of thing. It's not exactly a snow globe because the snow is not going to move around, but I think you might still call it a snow globe. Anyhow, I want to get into it and show you how I'm going to make this table centerpiece. So I'm using a large jar, okay, and you're going to get the one that fits the size of your Christmas tree and your reindeers. So this is from the Dollar Tree, a set of 2 reindeer. Okay, then I have my tree, which is from Walmart, and then some glue sticks, some glue, and you're going to need some cotton balls. 5 or 6 of them should be enough, depending on how fluffy you want your snow. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your cover off, and you're going to want to clean the inside of your jar really well. Now I've already gone ahead and done that. You can leave the outside for after, but I've also cleaned the outside. But you can leave it for after because you're going to get fingerprints all over them. Okay, next you're going to work with the inside of your cover, and you're going to unroll your cotton balls. Okay, so something like this, and you're just going to kind of open them out, fluff them up, sort of like that. Okay, then you're going to lay them into your cover. Okay, and this is going to be your snow. Next, you're just going to hot glue your snow down. So just keep adding until you're satisfied. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Then place your Christmas tree in the center along with your reindeer. Then you're just going to want to add some hot glue and glue your tree on. Next, you're going to add your reindeer. So just putting some glue on its feet and sticking it right in front of the Christmas tree, like that. If you need to add a little bit of glue so that the reindeer and the tree stick together, I would just go ahead and do that. Once you're done gluing it the way you would like it and you have all their pieces in, cover it and screw the lid on. And that's it. You have your very own snow globe or cloche. I think it turned out really cute, and I think it'll look super cute on my table.